Okay, so you want a car? Yes. Did you hear me? Really, you need to listen better. I know. You want a car, right? Yes, I do. I want a car. Now, can I please have it? Tell me the price. Well, I think it's about 9 million. Over 9,000. You know what? That meme's getting old by now. Well, can I just have the goddamn car? Yeah, but it's not for testing. Thanks. Wait, no, get out of the car. You know what? Just test it out. I'll give you a plan later. Whoa, 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 whoa! On this SonicPlushyCentral. Really, dude? Just take the other car. And oh my god! It's perfect. All right, let's go.
All right, you can have it for free now. Get out of here!
Hey, Red, want to go and take this out for a spin?
Sure.
All right. Ow. This is fun. Yeah! You gotta be freaking kidding me. Well, I'm broken. I can't get a car. I'll get a horse! Question of the day. Well, have you ever got in a car crash and injured? And the shark bit and biting your foot?